Okay, very good afternoon here on the 4th of March 2019. Rishi Patel, co-founder, Master the Markets, the Elite Traders Conference and the Traders Open Day. You can see that we are short on the euro dollar on the money bars trading strategy. The last video I made as an update was in and around a drawdown that we were experiencing. You can see here we had a PSWB on which we took a hit immediately the same day itself, which then went on to become another PSWB, which we shorted again. This is the second euro dollar position in this phase that we're taking short, and you can see that it looks as though at the moment this one is going the way we were expecting it to. It's looking as though it is going to become a turning point in the market, which is the exact point of the euro dollar strategy here on money bars. The money bar strategy looks to capture turning points before they happen, so we're looking for this to become a swing high. It is looking as though this is going to happen certainly over the next few days. We're expecting to hit this profit target, ideal case scenario today, but that would be quite an oversized bar. If not into tomorrow, we'll be patient, we'll wait, we'll hold the trade. And even though we've just gone through a drawdown, you can see it, and I've shown you in the past here, I've shown you on other videos the drawdown that we did suffer recently. You can see here, look at this, this is 5 straight losses in a row for the money bars trading strategy here. But the one thing that you should note is that the losses have been kept relatively small. It's a percent of the account. We haven't lost more than 1% of the account across 5 trades. Now look what's happening. We're pulling it all back, and these trades, so the euro dollar isn't even anywhere near its target yet. It's still quite a way to go. That will bank £1,700 if it hits the red line. Remember, it's totally automated. We're not there because the take profit has been set. Whether we're by the computer or not doesn't matter. If it touches on the red line, we're banked for a profit. And that's where we're looking for £1,700. If you look at the dollar Swiss franc, you'll see that something similar is happening just here. We're looking for upside on the dollar Swiss franc. We're looking to take it up to £2,500 of upside on that one. So the 1,007 plus the 2,500 takes us to just over £4,000. In 2 trades, what we're looking to do is recoup the losses that we've made over 5 trades, and that's pretty phenomenal if a strategy is able to do that. Of course, nothing's confirmed yet. These positions could still quite easily turn, hit the stop. There's, every possibility that that can happen, and that's why you have a protective stop in place. But we went through a drawdown, we took the trades consistently regardless of anything else, and now you can see we are marching on, and there is more upside here. We're looking for a break of this swing high. So this is the money bars update. We're also running 2 other positions on the euro dollar. This is the money bars position. We're running a position on Liftoff 3.0, short on the euro US dollar, which we shorted on the low of this primary just here, and I can show you the Liftoff. Okay, so here it is, slightly smaller trading account we have here on the Liftoff 3.0. So the Liftoff 3.0 is a slightly smaller trading account, and what's happened here is you can see that we are up already £190, which represents £260 of trade risk is 1%. So just under 1% of upside we've already got on this euro US dollar strategy here for the Liftoff. This one we're holding for the slightly longer term. You can see the target is further down, and we're holding it up to this point as well. On top of this, we're also running on the Elite Room a smart money trade on the euro dollar short as well. So these are the 4 trades that are running currently. One on money bars dollar Swiss, one on money bars euro dollar short, another on Liftoff 3.0 short euro dollar, another on smart money short on the Elite Room. So 4 positions in total, of which 3 on the euro US dollar. It is quite a bit of exposure to one currency. It's a lot of currency risk, but it is all part of the strategy. It is part of our money management rules, and we do know that trades can intersect and overlap with each other. And what we find here at Master the Markets is generally when that tends to happen, that's a very good sign for potential downside. But let's see, we don't know anything yet. It's all still happening, it's still floating. I'm showing it to you as it is at the moment. We'll see what happens into the next coming days and weeks, but we're very confident with this particular setup. The reason for that is because we have what we call an immediate failure PSWB. This is a specific type of PSWB. It's a very specialized turning point just here, and it is what we call an immediate failure PSWBs. We're actually doing research into immediate failure PSWBs at the moment, and what we're finding is very, very interesting. This is a very powerful bar pattern that we're seeing here, but it's not just this bar pattern, it's also this phase as well. There's a lot of mechanics inside this phase and this 3-bar pattern here, which has given us the confidence to take 3 positions short Euro US dollar. Let's continue to monitor this. We'll continue to update our community in the live trading room in real time, taking all the losses and the profits with you all here and logging everything transparently. Here you can see very clearly this is the Money Bars Cash, Money Bars system trading account just there, and take a look and you can see here that we are short and we've taken a 5% loss here in the last coming trades for the last 2 months for Money Bars, but now we're pulling it back, and if these 2 trades do hit their target, then we will be back to completely even, plus 0.37% profit on the Money Bar strategy for the first 3 months. So not as good as last year, but not a drawdown, and that's the point. We're looking to come out of this drawdown, we're looking to come out strong. We're following the plan exactly, and that was always the core concept, the core idea. So that's it from me at Master of the Markets. We look forward to speaking to you all soon. Until the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master. Bye for now.